Hey fam, you already know what we about to make. Hey, we about to make some elotes with some nice corn, or some people call it Mexican street corn. Now let me tell you, it's absolutely delicious and it's an easy recipe. I'm gonna show you how to get in the game. We're gonna start off with the corn on the cob, and then we'll put a skewer in the backside of it like that. And then I'm gonna show you why we'll do this before we put it in that water. It'll make this recipe go by quicker. Right here, you got your corn on your cob. Hey, you got your skewer. Now you want to take this and then you just put it in like that, as far as you can get it. Now what you can do, because this is like a super long skewer, hey, you can cut this, trim this at the edge like that, and you'll be in the game, fam. So we'll take this and we'll trim it, hey, like so. And then what we'll do is we'll place this in our water. Hey, just like the street corn vendors, we're in the game. And we got our water boiling. And like I said, this is the reason why you want to put your corn on the skewer. Put it in there like that. And then all you got to do is pop it out. And then you don't have to dirty up no dishes, right? Or extra dishes. You just put it in there like that and let it do its thing. So we got our mayo. Hey, we're gonna put our cilantro in there. We'll get that mixed in. Again, this is why you want to put these skewers on before you put them in the pot. Hey, just pick them up like that. Now what I want to do is I want to drain these all, let them cool down just for a little minute. But if you already know, man, the OGs, hey, they don't waste no time. They take them from the pot straight to the ingredients and let them work like that. But you know, hey, we're in the house. I don't want anybody to burn themselves, you know. Now we got a little bit of cilantro we're gonna leave for the end. Then I got me a lime. So if you want a little extra lime flavor, we're just gonna cut this up. And then you can squeeze it on if you like. Now we got this corn. Hey, it's cooled down a little bit. Now, all we're gonna do is slather this mayo on. Like so. Hey, and don't be afraid of the mayo, fam. It's gonna help that Cotija cheese stick to this corn. Then we bring that over. And then we just coat it like so. Hey fam, this recipe is so simple, so easy. Now you can make this at your own house, in your crib, in your kitchen, and you ain't gotta worry about, you know what I'm saying, finding a vendor. Or, hey, if you ain't got no vendors close to you and you wait till the fair time, hey, you ain't gotta wait till the fair. You got some delicious Mexican street corn right here, right there. Now what I wanna do is I wanna hit it with some chili powder. And then I'm gonna hit it with that parquet, like so, when it wanna come out. Yes, sir. Hit it with a little bit of that Tajín on top. And that got a little bit of lime in it. And then I'm gonna come right back over with a little bit more of that chili powder. And fam, there you have it. Hey, you got some absolutely delicious Mexican street corn. Hey, happy Cinco de Mayo, fam. Hey, however you're celebrating, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna get you in the game with this one right here. Check this out. I had to make me some more because you already know, hey, these like Ferraris, when they hit that plate, they gone. Now I do have me some Mexican style hot sauce. Check that out, Texas Pete. Hey, if you wanna go all in, throw a little bit of it on there. And then you already know, fam, we gotta get us a taste test. This right here, hey, it's gonna have you all messed up because it's a little messy, but it's absolutely delicious. Let me tell you, fam. But hey, here we go. Cheers. Now that right there, it's absolutely delicious, fam. It's kind of a messy dish, but it's delicious, fam. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out and tell you, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. Hey, don't forget, before you leave, smash that subscribe button, hit it like, and then share it with your family and friends and tell them Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, and you already know what your boy, the coach, is about to do. Hey, I'm about to get in the game. Hold on 1 second, and I'm gonna smash back into this Mexican street corn, Elote. I'm in the game, fam.